Hello and welcome. This is the Casio AE 1600 and I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on this watch. So let's get started. First setting is done without entering the settings menu, and that is switching between 12 or 24-hour time format. It is done by pressing the lower right button and the watch will shuffle between AM or PM. When the PM region is here, it will indicate P on the digital dial. Next up, let's enter the settings menu. That is done from the standard timekeeping mode by pressing and holding the upper left button until the seconds begin to flash. You cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset them to 0 simply by pressing the lower right button. Next setting is entered pressing the mode button, and we see that the hours are flashing, which means that we are in the position of setting our hour value. Shuffling hours is done by pressing the lower right button, and it will go from 0 to 24 until you get it to your designated time. Next up, once we have set our hours, we're going to move to setting the minutes by pressing the mode button, and we see that the minutes are flashing. To shuffle the minutes, procedure is the same. By pressing the lower right button, you can shuffle your minutes value. Let's see it. Yes, if you press it and hold it, it will engage fast rotation. So let me get it to 51, and that is my time. Next up, press the mode button again, and now we are setting our year value. You can shuffle your year value by pressing the lower right button until you get it to the value you want it. So it is 2025, and I'm gonna set it to 2025. Press the mode button again, and we move on to setting our month value. 4 is corresponding to month of April, but it's not. It is March 31st, and I'm going to press the start button until I get it to number 3, which corresponds to month of March. Next up, press the mode button again, and now we are setting our day value. Press the mode button again until you get it to designated value, and that is March 31st in this case. And there it is. We have set our day value. Press the mode button, and we are back at the beginning and setting or resetting our seconds value, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting the time and date on this watch. Now, to implement the settings, simply press the adjust button once, and we are back at the timekeeping mode, and our watch has now implemented all of those values. That would be another tutorial video on my channel. This was the Casio AE 1600. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. Thank you.